How to fix Facebook video no sound problem. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So this problem might have occurred because you have not given access to audio and sounds for Facebook. So in order to solve this problem, simply head to settings, then go to apps, then find Facebook, tap on it, and go to permission, and from here you will have to give access to microphone and files and media. After you have done that, make sure you have turned on your volume to its maximum. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.